Whether you're launching a blog, portfolio, online store, or business website, choosing the right hosting offer can make a bigger difference than most people expect. That's especially true if you're looking for a Hostigner coupon code with an extra 20% discount. So before you sign up, click the link in the description or scan the QR code on screen, because it automatically applies an extra 20% discount through my link, plus 3 extra months. There's another reason to check the offer carefully. Many Hostigner deals online usually include around a 10% extra discount, while my link in description unlocks a full 20% together with the additional months. And if the pricing page doesn't match your region, just click the flag icon at the top and switch to your country to see the correct local pricing. For this Hostigner review, let's start with ease of use. The Hostigner website builder is designed to help beginners create a website quickly without dealing with complicated setup steps. The Hostigner AI website builder can also assist with layouts, content suggestions, and getting a project started much faster. If you'd like to explore the available plans and features, you can check the link in the description or scan the QR code. On the hosting side, you get free SSL protection, daily backups, a free domain, and light-speed technology for improved loading performance. The dashboard is straightforward to use, making website management much less intimidating than many people expect. That combination of simplicity and performance is one reason many users consider Hostigner among the best web hosting providers available today. Plus, every hosting plan includes a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test everything without risk. And when your website grows beyond the basics, Hostigner also offers Hostigner VPS, Hostigner Horizons, Hostigner OpenClaw, and Hostigner N8N. So if you want the extra 20% discount together with the 3 extra months, click the link in the description or scan the QR code now and activate the offer before getting started.